In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page size in Microsoft Word, a handy skill for anyone looking to customize their documents for various purposes. Whether you're preparing a professional report, creating a personalized letterhead, or working on a creative project, knowing how to adjust your page size can make a significant difference. Let's begin right from the basics. First, you'll want to open up the Microsoft Word document you're ready to work with. If you've already got a particular file in mind, or if you're starting fresh with a new document, just make sure it's open on your screen, and you're good to go. Now, direct your attention to the top of your Word window. Here, you'll notice several tabs lined up, with options like Home, Insert, and more. Our focus today is the Layout tab. Depending on your version of Word, it might also be labeled as Page Layout. Either way, go ahead and click on that tab to open up a range of options that deal with the structure and layout of your document. Once you've accessed the Layout tab, look for the Size button. This option will let you explore different page sizes, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that best suits your needs. Go ahead and click on Size. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, offering you a variety of preset options, such as Letter, A4, and Legal. These are commonly used formats that cater to standard document requirements, making them ideal choices if you're looking for something quick and familiar. However, there are times when those standard sizes just won't do, especially if your project demands something unique. In such cases, setting a custom page size is incredibly helpful. To tailor your page dimensions exactly how you like, navigate to the bottom of this drop-down and click on More Paper Sizes. This opens up a new dialog box that will let you define your page measurements. Here, you can enter your desired width and height in the respective fields. This feature is perfect for those working on special projects or needing to print on non-standard paper sizes. Input your custom measurements carefully to ensure your document prints as expected. Once you've entered your preferred dimensions, it's time to bring your settings to life. Simply click OK, and the changes will be applied immediately to your document. You should see your workspace adjust to reflect your new page size, providing a preview of what your final printout will look like. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your page size in Microsoft Word, creating a document that's perfectly suited to your needs. With this newfound skill, you're equipped to handle a wide range of document formats, enhancing both your productivity and creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy word processing!